Welcome to today's video where we'll be diving into an interesting problem that some developers might encounter while working with C++ and different compiler versions. The problem arises when attempting to compile a piece of code involving member functions and threads, specifically in G++ versions 13 and 14. If you've ever experienced unexpected behavior when compiling your code, this video is for you. Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. The key here lies in understanding that the behavior observed in G++ 13 and 14 is actually due to the code FMS extension code flag being implicitly enabled by min-gwgcc. By passing code fno ms extension code, you can disable this flag and prevent the compilation error you encountered. It's intriguing how compiler flags can impact the way our code behaves, isn't it? Solution aside, it's worth noting that this behavior is not unique to G++ 14 or a new feature introduced in the latest version. The use of code FMS extensions code has been a part of min-gwgcc for a while now and might catch some developers off guard. Always remember to stay vigilant when working with different compiler versions and their default settings to avoid unexpected surprises. In summary, we explored a curious problem related to member functions and compiler flags in G++ versions 13 and 14, ultimately finding the solution by disabling code FMS extensions code. Remember, a deeper understanding of compiler settings can save you from headaches down the road. With that said, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and comment below with your thoughts and experiences. Happy coding!